Today we are here to have our this year's alumni meet. Our BHU Management Alumni Association has annual meet every year, and we are here to have this year's grand celebration with an attached attraction of having a reunion of 1972 BBM batch. We welcome all of you, and now I request our chief guest, Mr. Kanappanta, our guest of honor, Atul Parvatayarji, our Dean, Professor S.K. Singh ji, our General Secretary Bhuma, Professor S.C. Chaudhary, and Patron Bhuma, Professor Deepak Burman ji, and former Dean. Please come on dais. As always, in the beginning, we turn our thought to Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya ji, the founder of Banaras Hindu University, which stands as an enduring memorial to his foresight, educational ideals, and passion for Indian culture. It was his vision and leadership that shaped this great university, which has produced generations of students who have gone into the world and emerged eminent scholars, scientists, successful businessmen, entrepreneurs, great artists, and professionals. In fact, in every field of human endeavor. And this is 150th year of celebration also. To pay our homage to the legendary founder of our university, I invite our chief guest, Mr. K.N. Kanappanji, to come and garland the bust of Malviya ji. I also request Dr. Atul Parvatayar to please garland the bust of Malviya ji. I also request Professor S.K. Singh, Professor Chaudhary, and Professor Burman to garland the bust of Malviya ji. I fold my hands before the light that brings prosperity, auspiciousness, good health, abundance of wealth, and destruction of the enemy's intellect. As we seek blessings from the Lord, we shall light a lamp signifying our progress from darkness of ignorance to the light of knowledge. I request all the dignitaries to please light the lamp. are indeed very grateful to our chief guest, Mr. C.N. Kanappan, former MD NF Private Limited, who has taken all the pains to come over here and grace the occasion. I request our students to present a bouquet to him to honor. Dr. Atul Parwatyar, our guest of honor of the day, he has just come from Malaysia to attend this program. We honor him by presenting a bouquet. Thank you. The sonorous Gulgeet of our PHU, written by Professor Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar, portrays beautifully the serene settings, the quality of community, the ethos, culture and tradition of the university. I invite our students to present Gulgeet.
प्रकट हुई है नवीन होकर ये कर्मवीरों की राजधानी, राजधानी मधुर मनोहर अतीव सुंदर ये सर्व विद्या की राजधानी, राजधानी मधुर मनोहर अतीव सुंदर ये सर्व विद्या की राजधानी, राजधानी